Kugomana kwa President Uhuru Kenyatta, munini wake William Ruto na mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga ndukoretwo ari undu muhuthu. Rita ria mwisho atongoria aya atatu gucemania yari hindi ya mathiko ma uria wari minister wa kigina na mubunge wa Nyambari Chache county-ini ya Githii. Ruto akoretwo akionekana araihanirire na mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta, makiria kuma riria Uhuru ageithanire na mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga. Ona ageneire mambura ma Madaraka, Ruto ndanonekana icera-ini ria president akiruguria tabarira cia uthii wa nambere mwena uyu wa Githumo, kuria president amukiirwo ni Raila Odinga na gukorwo akimumagaria mihango-ini yothe ya thiku ithatu.
I want to laud your 2 days launch of various projects in this county and in this region. It is a testimony that there is a government that works and delivers. And it goes to confirm two things. One, that a government that delivers is good for everybody, irrespective of how and who they voted for.
Undu ungi utari wa mutugo wiyumiririe mambura-ini ma ni kwaga kurumirirwo mitaratara igie mambura ma kibururi, kuria munini wa bururi aingirire mbere ya mutongoria wa ODM kiharo-ini kia Jomo Kenyatta Stadium, kuria mambura maya mekuhanikaga. Hindi ya miario, munini wa president ota mutugo arikia kwaria ni anyitire ugeni president na kuona Raila dauma mutaratara-ini wa aria mekwaragia, president Uhuru ni amuheire kanya na acunga muhera.
Sasa leo nitavunja protocol kidogo, mtanisamehe. Nimualike ndugu yangu Raila Amolo Odinga, Jacob.
Ona me hamwe, atongoria aya monekanire matekwaria kimwe, kuria Ruto onekanire gutetera magoti, akiuga honge ciothe ithatu iheo gitio gia kuruta wira gutari mikana.
It will be an act of great betrayal if we allowed ethnic bigotry and personality cults to destroy the firm foundation of constitutionalism and the rule of law in our nation.
No Uhuru na Raila ni morotete magoti ni kurugamia mihango ya BBI, makiuga ni wendi wa Akenya mararegana naguo.
Our constitution, fellow Kenyans, is not a yoke around our necks, but rather it should be a mighty sword that can break the chains that limit all of us.
Hii mwanzo ni kwanza kuunganisha Wakenya wewe kama kitu kimoja. Bila hiyo hakuna maendeleo. Na hiyo ndio maana ya handshake ambayo tulifanya mimi na wewe.
No ona atongoria aya mari na mirugamo yao itiganite ya kiuteti, muingi ndumanaru amumakeneirwo othe na njira ya mwanya na kuhingiririo ni muingi ukienda umone na mamaririe. Ripotera Kameme TV, Jeta Gitau wa Wajiko.